Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get free resources in this mobile game. As you can see, I already have my resources and everything works fine. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you've finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Open your browser and go to looting.pro and find your game. Select the amount of resources and click the Continue button. Insert all necessary details and click the Generate button. Give the generator a moment to finish the task. The last step is a simple verification process. Just complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Verification is completed. Now back to the game and check your resources. If they don't start growing after a few minutes, try to complete more tasks. Sometimes some of them don't count properly.